So I would like to just talk about one case study in our company. So we have, as you can see, a lot of data. I just want to focus on the MOD report data set that we have. There's 5 million of them. They're badly spelled. A lot of them are narrative data that's really important. And to collect them and extract them is what we do as a specialty that I'd like to talk about at this conference. So for those who don't know what the MOD database is, somebody has an experience with a device, they write in, their physician writes in, a caregiver writes in. Here's a very typical snip from a MOD report. It's dealing with an Edwards Life Sciences product called the Sapien 3 valve. It's one of their newer valves. And during a TAVR procedure, following the implant, the patient developed an AV dissociation. It required permanent pacemaker. This is a very typical one. There's 9,000 about these reports. So there's 9,000. It would take a person a while to read it, to dissociate all the adverse events and product problems would be quite a technical feat. We do it in a millisecond because we have set up. And the way we are able to do this is with a product that we have developed called Boomerang NLP. We've been in business for about 5 years now. This is something we're getting a patent on. You can put in any type of text narrative data, so electronic health records, MOD reports, clinical trial information. You put it through this, you spin it through, and what you can do is say, okay, what are the adverse events that are being discussed? And not only what are they, but in what order, ranking order do they appear? So we know what are the top adverse events, the top product problems, what companies are mentioned, the co-mention. We can do a lot of data extraction instantaneously with our methodology. So, for example, on the product problems, you can see you can rank order a product problem specifically. On the right, you see a little snippet of text. Trust me when I say there are tens of thousands of those snippets, and we're able to programmatically say, okay, what are the problems with that device? As a specific case study, we recently did what I think is a nice piece of work on the whole TAVR system. So there's 2 Sapien valves from Edwards, and there's 1 core valve from Medtronic. And indeed, this is just a sense of what you can see in the post-market data, entirely on publicly available records, just gathered and processed a lot better. So what you actually see is that core valves has some significant issues in terms of requiring a pacemaker.